Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps to create secret chats on the Telegram app. Secret chats are a great way to keep your conversations private and secure. Let's dive right in. To create a secret chat on Telegram, start by opening the Telegram app on your device. If you're not logged in, simply log in using your phone number and the login code provided. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access all your chats. Next, search for the user you want to start a secret chat with by using the search bar at the top. Once you find the user, tap on their profile or user ID to open their chat. In the chat window, look at the top right corner and tap on the three dots. You'll see the option to Start Secret Chat. Tap on it, and Telegram will ask if you're sure about starting a secret chat with this user. Simply confirm by tapping Start, and the secret chat will open immediately. In the secret chat window, tap the three dots at the top right corner again to access various options. You can set a self-destruct timer for your messages, manage chat settings, or delete the chat entirely. If at any point you decide not to use the secret chat anymore, you can delete it by tapping on the three dots, selecting Delete Chat, and choosing the option to also delete for the other user before confirming. This ensures your conversation is completely erased on both ends. And that's it. You've successfully created and managed a secret chat on Telegram. It's that simple and secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button for more tutorials and tips. Also, make sure to ring the notification bell so you'll never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and happy chatting.